Welcome back to the channel. Got some golf clubs here. We do not have a plate against sports, is what someone called it. I looked them up. There's Cobras. Don't know. I don't know a lot about golf stuff, so, but we'll take them. I can go back here for now. But we are kind of cheating a little bit. This didn't work. We got room for some activities. I hadn't even cut the cord yet. I had it plugged up that long. But we're gonna try to fill the trailer, see what we can do today. Have a little bit of fun. May get rained out. It's been thunder, lightning, raining off and on for the past like all day. So we'll see. Well, we got us the folding chair already, which is always part of the checklist. Yeah, that's the storm coming in. We may dodge it, we may not. I'm not gonna. Also, a guy stopped me, gave this to me. I was just gonna show y'all before it went into the cooler, so check. See what else. We got one of those good old satellite dishes. Who doesn't like one or two of these, right? What kind of poles are these? Volleyball bowls, maybe? Anything else that we may need? Lawnmower blades. Look at them there, lawnmower blades. We got a good little storage place for them right now too. Anything else? About all she wrote. About the cooler. Anything in the cooler? Nope. Mine. I need a new one. I'll take it. You want me to get it for you? Be right back. A little digging here. The lady had a grill. The problem was the wheels on it got to the point to where I'll take the metal one. This one's all mainly, I guess I can cut them. But the lady had a grill. I'm gonna finish my thought process now. And the problem with the grill was the wheels then had got to a point where it's where it's actually non-magnetic. The grill got to a point where the wheels have done weared in and it won't roll, and she don't want it roll across her grass or mess up her grass. So we do want it though, but unfortunately it's kind of hard to take something that I'm only one person, you know. I decided to buy new pans of everything. Silicon mat. I'm interested what that's made out of. Probably coated stainless. My thought on it, maybe, possibly. Any more in here? Okay, work our way around. Guess we'll take both of them. They do have aluminum on them. Rock. Got some pans. Nice little stuff. Well, I guess we got one more bag to kind of fill out. No. Trash too. Take another chair. Take another chair. That one slipped out of the hands. Seashells by the seashore. Got one of these tiny grills. It's definitely tiny. Tiny with weight too. We got room. Not really sure if we have anything here. If anything, that is. Oh yeah, we do got some stuff in here. Look at that element. Miscellaneous little pieces here, there. Some breakers. A little transformer up there too. Dog got a hold of the John Deere. I'd consider taking it, but dog decided that it tasted good. Capacitor. Don't see nothing else. Take the pieces we got. Maybe a semi-dig pile. Looks like a bunch of kids' clothes. It's an Xbox. Got video games involved now. Well, that grill went on a trip. Take a look at the Xbox. Right here. Any games with it? Oh, that thing is. We'll take the Xbox. Controller needs a good cleaning. Now I gotta look for games. It's 120 gig hard drive in it too. It works, it's a good one. Which way do we go? Go this way? See, what gets me is someone looks like they dug maybe, because this is tore open. Different day and time maybe when they put them out, possibly. Yeah, see, paintball gun too? Or are you messed up? What you are. That paintball gun's falling apart. Anybody need some gloves? Got some cables down here. Where do you go to? Nothing. Don't fall. See, like somebody's done ripped all this stuff open, and don't you fall. Just kind of keep going this way, I guess. Christmas tree base, plastic. It's all Christmas tree stuff. Get over here. More cords. Do not want plastic hangers. You can stay. Come on. I don't want people's name to be shown on these. It'll be way down here at the bottom. Bunch of baby bottles. That's about it, all I see. Hello? Nothing in there. Where's the video games at? Well, pretty sure there's something somewhere, but we're not gonna, you know, go stupid over it. So, well, got an Xbox out of the deal. We got this section kind of cleaned off, and it's because of this. It's fairly large and in charge grill. Whew. It's not brass, actually. I've already looked, kind of looked it over. These may be stainless, I'll check them, but it's a big one. Do you roll good at least? Oh yeah. So we're gonna go on here, and you're gonna play nice, right? No, you're not. Come on. Step off. So long I was on it. Lego. Thank you. All right. We got another storage area too, so that's a good thing. Magnets. That's strange. That one's magnetic. Cap's magnetic. Huh. Magnetic. It's all magnetic. Well, I'm gonna get this restrapped down, come across. I figured it should ride good if I can get a strap down through here. So, and this is kind of why I decided to come out and give it a shot today. Today is the day before the 4th. It's kind of hoping for grills, you know. So, and then get unloaded and try it again tomorrow. It's the goal anyway. But you know, so far it's been lackluster. It's gonna be the word. But we'll make it. Seen the tin. Let's see what else we got here. Miscellaneous grate. Nothing we can really get out of that. Let's see what this tin has in store for us. See if it's gonna play nice. Probably not. Why all the noise? Probably not, probably not. Stay. Make sure I'm not stepping on no nails. That'd be fun. That would be perfect, actually. It's been out here for a minute. Oh look, there's the nail. That would make my day not as great. Somebody said put it up under my trailer and bend it. So much racket. It's really thin, actually. It's like paper. Last but not least. No. There's another one. There's a few more pieces, it looks like. No, 2 more, looks like. Squish. Squish. I think I see why people left them. Take up a lot of room. I'm gonna kind of work out something to kind of use this to keep it all there. I'll be back. So I just kind of threw it on top of that thing, and picking up this stuff is questionable. I'm gonna be honest. It's not very heavy. It takes up a ton of space. I mean, I guess if I could have folded it better, but like it's, I don't know. I normally find like smaller pieces, you know, like, and thicker, to be honest, like the thicker stuff. But I only normally find them like this and then just slide them in somewhere. I don't think I've ever found like longer panels like this. So these may be questionable next time, just being honest. Bed frames. Yeah, I mean, finger pinchers. We'll take some frames. Definitely seen rose bush. Time I don't put on my gloves. Yeah. Yeah, we could have used them to keep that stuff down anyway, so. Gloves this time. Not doing that again. I think we got a paper shredder here hidden in the grass. And I actually like paper shredders, but this one will come apart. no, it's the drawer type. Well, the whole thing can go then. We'll be fine. Don't think that was a rose bush that got me last time, but it was definitely a bush that pokes people, and hence me. But stay. Nice addition to the trailer. Well, my friends, that's all she wrote. We it's fine. We did okay. I mean, I'm not gonna say that we broke any land speed records or broke any kind of weight records today, but we did not do terrible. So today is actually the 3rd. Tomorrow's the 4th. The chances of things being out today were very slim. I was hoping that I would find a grill 2, maybe 3, yeah, pushing it 4. So that was kind of the angle for today, the bigger items. Easier to unload, if you will. But we did good with the one, and if you want to call that a grill, yeah, sure. But I wasn't expecting a ton. Now, one would say if you weren't expecting a ton, then why go out? Because I enjoy it. You just don't know what you'll find. I mean, we found the Xbox today. If it works, then it's going to be something decent, either for the collection or maybe resale. Who knows? But you just don't know what you will find, and it's about the journey. It's not necessarily about where you're going to end up at the end of the day. It's about what we did to get to where we are today. So this is what we did. This is where we ended up. I'm gonna get it unloaded. Scrapyard's not open until Tuesday, so this video will come out on the 4th. Happy 4th of July. Y'all are truly awesome individuals. I hope y'all are enjoying yourselves. I hope. Don't do nothing stupid though. Don't go get drunk and drive and all that stupidity stuff. Don't do that. You know, be responsible, my friends. Other than that, I mean, I do got family in town, so I highly doubt I'll be able to get out tomorrow. Highly doubt it. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try, but I'm fighting with my wife's plans, and unfortunately, that's a fight that I normally do not win. But this is what we got. I do hope you enjoyed it. I mean, it was an interesting day. We got poked by a bush that has thorns. Found some tin that could be blown away by a good huff and puff, you know, like the 3 little piggies. They found the grill, a few little miscellaneous pieces, a few bedroll. I mean, y'all seen it, y'all know. But if you did like it, you know, give it a thumbs up. Next time you'll see it, this will still be here because I don't even know if I can move it anymore. To be honest, now I might be able to get my dolly up under it and kind of get it off because it's full. But all this will be off next time you see it. And we'll start over and maybe fill it up. But hey, y'all have a wonderful 4th. Enough of me blabbling on and talking about nonsense. I do hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, give a like, share, maybe subscribe if you haven't already, and see you on the next one. Leave a comment too. Bye.